I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by locking one clear learning objective and writing a short script that maps each teaching point to a visual. Once done, choose an animation style that matches your audience and timeline. Motion graphics are faster, character-driven scenes need more, but add empathy. Next, set a 16:9 canvas, import brand colors and essential assets, and record a reference narration or placeholder so timing is grounded. This gets you past the planning stall and into concrete assembly immediately. Now construct each scene as a timed block and place visual elements in layers. Start with backgrounds, then animate core motion, add text overlays, and finally transitions. This keeps edits non-destructive and easy to tweak. Record a clean voice track or use polished TTS and sync it to the animation, trimming silent gaps and inserting half-second pauses to let concepts breathe. Make sure to preview continuously, so timing aligns with the learner's ability to read and absorb each frame. To finish, apply subtle sound design and mix music low so narration stays primary. Export captions and test readability. Export at 1080ph. 264 with 5.8 Mbps for smooth streaming, and check color/contrast on multiple devices. If you find jitter or misaligned lips, mute groups to isolate the issue, then re-render short segments instead of the full file. Finally, gather quick user feedback and iterate. Small timing or wording tweaks after a test run greatly improve learning outcomes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.